The one half of the American picker duo, Mike Wolfe, is famous for his knack for finding treasures out of junk. He always finds surprisingly valuable items in random barns, attics, and other unexpected places all across the country. Since American Picker's fame, fans have always been curious about Mike's personal life. The Illinois native married Jodi Faeth in 2012. However, their marriage fell apart after nearly a decade or so. According to the divorce documents, his wife cited irreconcilable differences as the reason behind their separation. A couple of months after his separation, Mike moved on with a new lady. So who is Mike's new partner? Today in this video, let's find out all about his personal life and relationship. But before diving straight into the video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. Who is Mike Wolfe's girlfriend? Right after the news of his divorce hit the media, many of us were in shock. But before the news of his divorce died down, Mike already moved on with a new girlfriend. TMZ first broke the news in July 2021 that Wolfe is dating a woman named Letitia Klein. As it turns out, his new lady isn't an unknown face either. She's a model and something of a reality star herself, who once appeared in the WB dating show Beauty and the Geek. Moreover, she has also appeared in Playboy and Maxim magazines. In addition, the beautiful blonde also once went to the Howard Stern's radio show where she sat on the all-famous Sybian vibrator. Reports claim Mike and Letitia had known each other since 2018. The model had been following the reality star for some time through his social media profiles. Furthermore, sources also claim that since they started dating, Letitia has been following him around on American Picker's shoot.
It's 2 weeks out of the year where the sky is black with these crazy bugs, and that's pretty gnarly while you're riding because they all end up on your shield.
Why did Mike and his ex-wife Jodi Faeth separated? In mid-2021, Jodi shocked us all when she filed for divorce. She filed the documents in November 2020 at the Williamson County Chancery Court in Franklin, Tennessee, citing irreconcilable differences. At the time, a source close to the pair stated that all hopes of reconciliation are exhausted and that she and Mike are unable to successfully live together. The court docs further stated that pair has not participated in any other litigation concerning the custody of the daughter. That being said, at the time of filing, the daughter was living with Jodi, who also has a non-minor child from her another relationship. The document also divulged that the pair had been separated since June 2020. Jodi also asked for equitable division of the pair's marital property and debts. Mike's ex-wife Jodi Faeth supported him through thick and thin. We have all heard the phrase that behind any successful person, there's another person who is constantly pushing them to move forward. For Mike, it was his partner Jodi who helped him out during the majority of his highs and lows of his professional career. Initially, the lovebirds exchanged vows on September 7, 2012. The intimate ceremony took place in Franklin, Tennessee. Pair first met in the year 1994. Reports suggest that Jodi was at first attracted towards Mike because of his passion for collecting antiques and transforming them and selling them for higher gains.
Having a store in Nashville has made me change gears on the way I look at things. I'm gonna do 15.
Mike's ex-wife health issue. Mike's ex-wife had a major health scare. Around a year after the birth of their child, Jodi started developing health complications. After a health checkup, it was found that she has stage 2 non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. The news was really saddening for the pair initially, but thankfully, after undergoing a couple of successful operations, Jodi recovered rather swiftly. Mike shares one daughter from his relationship with Jodi. From his relationship with Jodi, Mike became a father of one daughter named Charlie. They welcomed their first and only child in early 2012, 7 months before their wedding. Tragically, when Faith was still pregnant, their daughter was diagnosed with developmental dysfunction called cleft lip and palate. Sometimes after her birth, Charlie had to go through 2 reconstructive surgeries. Thankfully, all went well and she is now fine. Well, that's all for today. Make sure to like the video if you liked it and dislike it if not.